Hello guys, I will be cooking. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Anyways, as it was just said, be quiet.
As far as I'm concerned, this whole place can burn.
As I just said before Cobra Guy interrupted me, I will be cooking Cobra Guy because I will be cooking him. Where are you? Oh, I see you. Oh my god. You dumb beast. Don't worry, I can do that too. What's up?
Seems balanced. Nerf Nolan.
Wait, no. Seems balanced. Nerf Nolan.
Exactly!
How did you not see the piece of the alien? King Cobra Guy died. Can you die already? Cobra Guy, die already. Do it for the viewers. By the way, guys, Leo joined the server and Cobra Guy over here was blazing Zeo like crazy, bro. Anyways, bye-bye.